Next big thing out of the Hawk leader, Bienvenido Bangnono Niles Jr., 392 kilograms, Red Hawk.
It started with Marquis Angel Marangal moving up in the middle portion, the Ginding, then followed now by Red Hawk. Next in line is Polido, moving up is the Tears of Joy, while Corona is the early trailer. Back to the leader, we have two runners now matching their strides together. Marangal is running by the rail. The outside is Marquis Angel, then 3 lengths for the back in third. And comes the Ginding, Tears of Joy now to take part. And on the outside is Red Hawk, Polido in the middle portion, while Corona is still racing in this. And at the far turn, we have Marquis Angel moves over the outside, running by the race and Marangal, the Ginding, Tears of Joy now trying to get closer in port. Red Hawk, Polido comes next as they swing for home. We have Marquis Angel by about 2 lengths. Tears of Joy, Marangal is on the outside, Polido, the Ginding comes next. Red Hawk is on the outside, and down the stretch they come. We have Marquis Angel, Tears of Joy moving up now on the outside is a Red Hawk. A long shot, and finally Red Hawk, Tears of Joy, Marquis Angel, Polido.